Hey, it was Jamie Nelson here with another unboxing from Movie Stuff. I don't even want to. Open this real quick. It is collector's edition inside WWF, whatever. They sent me another one because the case I got first was all cracked up. So they sent me another one. And I got to keep one, so I have 2 copies now. Looks in okay condition. Now I have 2, so I don't know what to do with the other one. But, yeah, it sucks. I found out that the WrestleMania 15 I ordered, something happened, and it won't be coming. So I'm getting my money back. Something's sticky in there, I don't know, but yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, bye.